So I started university in Budapest actually 2 weeks ago, and I'm studying to become an English and Italian language teacher. But I also like AI, and I've been using it for a long time, and it gave me this idea. I'm going to use AI only throughout my studies. I will use it to take notes, to help me learn and understand when something is not clear, to prepare me for my exams and also to manage my time. I'm going to share this journey in this new series, so let's sit down and I will explain it all. Alright, so welcome from here. I'm going to tell you and I'm going to explain a bit in depth why I'm doing it and what is the reason why I would start this. So I started my basically AI journey in high school. You can see my old high school here. It's a Hungarian high school. And because that was the time when I first found AI, and when I was preparing for my final exams, I used AI as a learning partner to basically prepare for the exam, to take practice tests, and to learn the things I needed to learn. So it was the first time, and I was pretty good at the materials. So like I learned them really good. I got very good grades, and I thought, okay, this could be a good one. The other thing is languages, because I've used AI to learn English and Italian. Also, although my English is not the best yet, because I skipped a long time, so I haven't used my language. But I was I was terrible, and I figured out a way how we can use AI as a learning partner, as a personal language coach or tutor, to give us feedback and to improve our languages. So with these experiences, I thought, what if I would just start a new series where I basically teach and where I explain and show how I use AI in my studies. And as I started university, I thought it is the best time and it is the best time to start this new series. So next, I want to talk about how I want to basically show to you this journey. So this is my main channel, as you are watching this. This is the name. And this is where I'm going to share all of these videos, tutorials and stuff. So I'm going to create tutorials, and I want to make explainer videos. So like I've got a concept, or this is how I prepare for an exam with AI. This is how I take notes. So in these explainer videos, I want to make I want to create in-depth tutorials where I explain the concept, where I show different AI tools. And I don't want to just create tutorials about AI tools. I want to give you concepts. I want to give you the philosophies, how we should pursue AI, and not just, in this way where, oh, AI will take my job. No, it won't. Just unless you don't learn how to use it. And I think I'm going to create vlogs. So like just university, how I live my life in university. And I definitely want to create Q&As videos. Like you can ask your questions in the comments, or you can join to my community and you can ask questions, and I'm going to give you personalized answers. So for example, if you have any issue with an AI tool, or if you want to learn more in depth about this topic, you can definitely join and we can help with that. So this is basically the concept. And now I want to move on to the rules, because I think this is the most important one, the most important part, how I'm going to use AI, because I won't use it for cheating. AI is not about replacing you. AI is not about it's not a cheat code. So it's not for replacing you, replacing your thinking mechanism, replacing your creativity. it is for enhancing it and making it better. So I'm not going to use AI to make my assignments, to write my essays and other stuff. I'm going to use it as a learning partner. So AI won't work instead of me, AI will work with me. So I'm not using it as a robot to make the work and I can just lay down in bed and just play video games all day long. So I don't want to use it as a laziness. I don't want to become lazy by using it. And I want to be fully transparent. I'm going to show everything. So like if I'm preparing for a real exam, I'm going to show the steps, what I do. Probably, maybe I'm going to make live sessions or live events, yes, like study with me, live events or videos where I study in real time with AI. So you can see the whole process, and I will also share my grades and my points, because I want to show you that what I do is real and whether it's really working or not. So my philosophy or my approach is using AI as a learning partner. What do I mean by that? So it's like creating and prompting it as if it would be your learning partner, your teacher, your personalized assistant, and your accountability partner. And what I really like is your feedback manager, because every time I learn with AI or I want to practice, I use these really effective and efficient practice methods like deliberate practice and stuff. I really like how the AI works with me. It gives me personalized feedback. It can identify my blind spots. So whether I miss something over and over again. So and it can adjust the learning style and the progress what we are making as so my considering my weaknesses. So like we are not just practicing what I'm already good at. We can practice those which I'm not good at. So and you can use it for many subjects. But what I have the most experience with is language learning, and as I said, I'm going to become an English and Italian language teacher. So this is my field basically. But I will try to show methods and practices for a full range or a large variety of subjects. And as I said, you can DM me on Instagram, you can write a comment, you can share your subject, what are your problems, how you are typically try to prepare and understand those concepts, and how are you typically try to prepare for those exams. And we can have some discussion and we can find a solution to make it better and to improve it. So yeah. Obviously, I'm going to share like AI model tutorials. What I really like to use for studying is Cortex. It's made by Dan Coe and his team. It's a beautiful and very, very effective AI software. They are creating a new version, so but you can still use it. Also, I use ChatGPT. It's really good for learning and studying. Gemini is also one of the best, and Notebook LM. So I'm going to create tutorials, and basically I use these to learn these concepts and stuff. So if you don't want to miss anything like the videos, the preparational processes, make sure that you are subscribed. And if you have any question, connect with me. You can join to my community. There will be a link in the description. And I hope this series will help you become a more effective and efficient student. And I hope these tactics and these methods that I'm going to share with you will allow you to have more free time, to spend more time with your friends and your family and with your hobbies. So this is my core mission or concept, or what I want to achieve, that those who are watching my videos and who are learning from me will be able to spend more time and have free time and without sacrificing grades and stuff. So I hope you find this video valuable. As I said, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.